As someone who grew up loving the great outdoors, I love that I get to live in a place like this. You can leave the city for great opportunities, which I found here, and so much more. My first job is being a dad. My second job is with MHI RJ, which brought me to Bridgeport and this community. The most valuable thing to me is time. I love having a job that values my skills and gives me more time to spend with my family. Take your shot. Always. Because you never know where it'll land you. For me, it's the good life here in Bridgeport. Relocating is a big decision, but it's so rewarding. Now my career can grow while I watch my family grow. What's better than that? Make your move.